Hello friends, in this video we will learn and write how to make sentences. So let's start. First line, sun. The sun is very hot. Second line, go. She goes to office on time. Third line, cook. She cooks her food. Fourth line, noise. The boys make a noise there. Fifth line, girl. The girl was learning music. Sixth line, rise. The sun rises in the east. Seventh line, run. The train is running on the track. Eighth line, play. Mohan plays cricket in the park. Ninth line, do. I am doing work now. 10th line, busy. I am busy now. Thanks for watching.